5 to the power 2 equals 25. 25 plus 65 equals 90. 90 divided by 5 equals 18, and 18 times 2 equals 36. But this answer is not right, because according to the order of operations, we must solve parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. Remember, if in any expression we have both multiplication and division present, we must work from left to right, and same applies to addition and subtraction. Now let's rewind and solve this problem the right way. If you notice, in this expression we have an addition, a division, and a multiplication operator present, but we also have exponent involved here. And according to the rules, exponents have higher priority than multiplication, division, or addition. So we need to solve this part first. 5 to the power 2, that gives us 25. Our expression simplifies to 25 plus 65 divided by 5 times 2. Now we have an addition operator present here, a division operator, and also a multiplication operator present in this expression. According to the rules, multiplication and division have equal priority, and they also have higher priority than addition. And we need to work from left to right. So we need to solve this division first because it has higher priority over addition, and it is on the left side of the multiplication. 65 divided by 5, that leaves us with 13, and our expression simplifies to 25 plus 13 times 2. Now we have addition and multiplication operators present in this expression, and we know that multiplication has higher priority over addition. So 13 times 2, that gives us 26, and finally 25 plus 26, that equals 51, which is the final and correct answer to this problem. Thank you for watching. Please like the video, comment your answers, and subscribe to our channel.